Hello my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another daily Forex forecast. In today's video we're going to be looking at a possible trading scenario on the Euro USD. We're going to break down the charts and see exactly what is going on with it and what is likely to happen next. It's been dropping pretty heavily as of late and we're approaching some key support levels, so let's get into the video. So head over to TradingView. If you aren't following me on TradingView yet, make sure you are. Post some great content, and when I'm not able to make videos, I do try to post weekly content on weekly or bi-weekly content over there that will help you with your trading journey. So first thing we want to look at when we're looking at the Euro USD is the other half, and that is the US dollar index. We want to see what the US dollar is doing, then we can use that information to make a informed judgment on the Euro USD. So USD dollar index. So this was a trade idea that I posted this time last month. I expected the move down, maybe down below 100. We did get the move down towards 100, and then I expected a rally to happen from there. So it went exactly as expected. If you want to get a written explanation of that, just head over to TradingView and you'll be able to understand what I was looking at with that setup. So what is happening now? It's at the area where I did say in that trade idea that we would likely see sellers to come back in. If we zoom out to the weekly charts, we will see that we are in a range bound market, kind of between 107 and 100. So that is kind of the range the last year and a half. So this market, it is very overextended. It could just blow straight right up through to the top of the range. I do expect some sellers to come into the market here at this level here. Now the reason I like this area is because if we look at this leg down here, this is the leg down. Well, we can see the first part of the leg paused here, and then from this swing low up to this swing high, and the majority of the move down happened from this swing high. So the majority of the selling in this move started here. So this will be an area that you'd likely see sellers to come back in again, and it is at a key round number. It is at the high of this move is 105, I think, or it's towards 105. So if we zoom into the daily charts now, we just want to see what is occurring on the daily charts. We can see we've got a very, very overextended move on the daily charts. I think it's pumped a new high every day apart from one day in the last 4 weeks. We're at this key area here. If we look at the daily charts, the daily MACD, still very open. So no divergence happening on it yet. If we look at the 4-hour chart, maybe even look at the 8-hour first. Want to see, we can kind of see momentum starting to slow down. The reason we can tell this by is because the MACD is moving this way and the market is moving that way, so there's a divergence between momentum and price. On the 8-hour chart, so kind of buy momentum starting to fizzle out on this. If we zoom into the 4-hour, again, similar story. Price is grinding up higher. The MACD is moving lower. So we'll just turn on my TRF King indicator. So what I want to see here is, as we're in this zone, is wait for a 4-hour signal to occur, and I'd likely enter on the next 4-hour signal. So what the market could do is move up towards 105, sell off a little bit, break the trend, come back up, and then move down. A possible target for this is this area here, which is around 102 would be a good target. That's the kind of support level on the daily charts. The ideal trade for me on this would be to let this drop, then this, after this, the second leg up, a sell signal on my indicator happens at this swing high here would be the ideal entry for me on this. We are approaching the US election in the next 2 weeks, so we just have to be very wary of that. And because we could get a move down, quick move down, followed by a sharp move up to the top of the range. So it's going to be interesting to see what occurs on the US dollar index. At the minute, a short-term selling opportunity or correction is on the cards. So EURUSD, what is happening on it? It's kind of the opposite what is going on in the US dollar index. We look at the 4 hour, it is slowly grinding down. We'll zoom out to the weekly first and just see if we can mark some key levels. Weekly, the first area that I like here is this support here, which is this low, this candle. This was kind of from this swing low, we had the move, kind of the buying move up towards 112. We have the start of the leg up here, which would be an area of interest. This kind of starts at 107, and then we have a diagonal support, trend line, whatever you want to call it, here. We just might throw a fib on there, see if we can get see what the fib is, the fib level is, where we're at now. I could say it maybe be the 61.8. That's at the 78. Okay, so we're at the 78.6 fib level of this move, move up here. So we're at a pivot low, swing low, and we're at a diagonal support. So kind of three areas lining up there on the EURUSD. If we zoom into the daily chart, slowly grinding down, overextended move to the downside, and we're now at this key junction here, this key area where three support levels line up. This could be the pivot to the upside. Now if we just zoom into the 8 hour here, just want to see if there's any divergence occurring. This gives us evidence of price action is slowing down, buying or selling momentum is slowing down, and we can see that here. It's kind of not really moving up, but it's moving flat and it's went diagonal on the 8 hour chart. If we look at the 4 hour, you can clearly see that price is moving down and the indicator is moving up for divergence. So EURUSD, what's my plan of attack for this? What would I like to see happen now? Now we're at this key area, the entry signal. So I would turn on. What I expect to see happen here is maybe a dip down under the support. So a dip down, maybe down towards 107, followed by the correction back up like this, and then a rally back up towards 110 would be what I would want to see occur here. Entry signal. I am getting a buy signal on my TRFX indicator now, so I'd want to see a breakdown under here. My ideal position, entry position, would be a buy signal around here. So wait for the first pop up, then the second, then the correction down, and it is the second At this point here, I would like to see a buy signal on the EURUSD in the coming days. So that is it. Target, again, 110 would be the support, sorry, the resistance for this. Which is, if we look at this, come in here, and we actually have a daily sell zone in there. So this would be my target for this. Now, stop loss, depending on the stop loss, we kind of want it under 106,500, just under these lows, maybe even a little further down if the market does drop down towards 107, definitely down towards under here. So that is the EURUSD forecast. If you want to get access to more setups like this, and when I'm not posting videos, just simply follow me on TradingView. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm off to enjoy the pool. I'm traveling down the coast of Thailand at the minute in a beautiful wee seaside town called Samroy Yacht. So I'm off to see the sights here, and I shall see you on the next video. Hit the like and subscribe button well over at Pips and Gains.